The world is full of mysteries. Some are known, while many others are yet to have a logical explanation. And the blood rain is one such phenomenon. We used to see such scenes in vampire movies or TV serials, but such phenomena are for real. It does exist. Today, let me bring forward to you yet another interesting natural phenomenon which have been occurring in the Indian state of Kerala since many years. Blood rain phenomenon has been experienced by the people of Kerala since the past few years. However, it's a localized phenomenon occurring only over a stretch of few kilometers. Where and when does the blood rain occur? The first such rain was reported back in the year 1957 on 15th of July, Monday, in Wayanad district region of Malabar. The next incident was reported from 25th of July to 23rd of September 2001 in Idukki and Kottayam district in Kerala. Experiences shared as per locals. As per the locals, the first colored rain was preceded by a loud thunderclap and flash of light, followed by groups of trees shedding shriveled grey burnt leaves. Disappearance and sudden formation of wells were also reported around the same time in the area. About the blood rain. The rain typically lasts less than 20 minutes. Each millimeter of rainwater contained about 9 million red particles, and as per estimation, around 50,000 kilograms of red particles had fallen on Kerala as of now. The pH of the water was found to be normal, which is around 7. Why does the blood rain phenomenon occur? As per the study commissioned by the Government of India, concluded that the rains has been colored by airborne spores from locally prolific terrestrial green algae from the genus Trentopohlia. So, what exactly is a Trentopohlia? It is a genus of filamentous chlorophyte green algae in the family Trentopohliaceae, living free on terrestrial support such as tree trunks and wet rocks, or symbiotically in lichens. Their filaments have a strong orange color caused by the presence of large quantities of carotenoid pigments which mask the green of the chlorophyll. So what are carotenoids? Carotenoids are colored organic pigments, mainly yellow, orange and red, that are produced by plants and algae, as well as several bacteria and fungi. Carotenoids are responsible for the characteristics color to pumpkins, carrots, corn, tomatoes, flamingos, salmon, lobster, shrimp, and daffodils. Even though we have the explanation on the reasons of occurrence of the blood rain, but the legend of the red rain still mystifies people, while many blames it to the extraterrestrial life. Well, it would definitely be a wonderful experience to observe a blood rain occur. However, The next expected blood drain remains unknown. This is MSR Foundation signing off for today. Do like, share and subscribe our channel for more interesting videos. Thank you.